Good evening and welcome to the agenda. I am Ajay Kaul. In this program, today we will be discussing the controversy related to the killing of dreaded gangster Vikas Dubey by UP police. A big controversy is raging over the killing of Vikas Dubey, a dreaded gangster of Uttar Pradesh. The police has said that Dubey was killed in an encounter when he tried to flee on Friday morning while being ferried from Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh to Kanpur, his hometown. However, opposition parties and many others are questioning the police version. They are alleging that he was deliberately killed to eliminate chances of finding out his nexus with politicians and possibly some other people in authority in Uttar Pradesh. In the agenda today, we will seek views on such questions from someone who has led the police force in Uttar Pradesh. We have with us Mr. K.L. Gupta, former Director General of Police of Uttar Pradesh. But before we welcome our special guest, let us have a look at this small report.
A huge controversy has erupted over the manner and circumstances in which dreaded gangster Vikas Dubey was killed by the Special Task Force of Uttar Pradesh Police on Friday morning. Police have said that Dubey was killed in an encounter when he tried to flee after the vehicle in which he was being ferried from Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh to Kanpur overturned. According to police, after the vehicle overturned, Dubey was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. But the opposition and others have raised several questions over the police version. The opposition parties claim that Vikas Dubey has been eliminated to save some political leaders. It is being alleged that Vikas Dubey's trial would have exposed his nexus with people in positions of power who allow criminals like him to flourish. On Saturday, a petition was filed in the Supreme Court by People's Union of Civil Liberties, seeking a court-monitored probe by NIA or CBI into the killing. Vikas Dubey was no saint. He was a dreaded man in UP and was notorious for murderers' attempts to murders and land grabbing. On 3rd July, he and his associates killed 8 policemen when a police team went to his residence for a raid. It was after the UP police launched a hot pursuit against him and his gang. So far, 6 members of his gang, including him, have been killed and 5 arrested. 10 others are still at large. As regard the 3rd July incident, it is said that Dubey was tipped off about the raid by some policemen of the local police station. In this connection, SHO of Chaubepur police station and another policeman have been arrested. Also, the entire staff of the Chaubepur police station have been removed from there. This clearly showed that he had nexus with police, but whether his nexus extended to top-level police officials and politicians can be known only when a thorough investigation is conducted. Till then, question will remain. Bureau Report.
So let's welcome Mr. K.L. Gupta, former DGP of Uttar Pradesh. Welcome to the program, sir.
Thank you.
So, sir, let me ask you about the controversy related to the killing. So, how do you see this controversy?
There should be no controversy. People are making it controversial. People are making it controversial. You see, that is a normal thing. A criminal is being brought to the Kanpur, and the vehicle overturns. He tries to run away with a pistol. He tries to fire upon the policeman. 4 people are injured. So he is shot back in self-defense. So where is the controversy? And people are unnecessarily making controversy over the killing of a criminal who is known criminal for the last 30 years, 50, 60 cases against him, so many murder cases. He has been acquitted in all those cases, and he has built an empire in Kanpur and Lucknow and Dubai and Bangkok area. So what is the controversy? I don't know why people are so making controversy about it. और फिर again, the magisterial inquiry will be held. It's not the police is not the last word in this thing. They have done it. Now the district magistrate must have ordered a magisterial inquiry. He will inquire into all the facts. Facts can be put up before him that this has been done. If policemen are found at fault, they will be punished. Some FIR be registered. They will be punished. They will face the consequences whatever they have done it. So people don't prejudge the issue, don't be judgmental, or don't be investigative journalist unnecessarily. The things are normal. Let the inquiry report of magistrate come. A PIL have been filed. You see, I am so sorry to note that people, you see, after PUC, people are doing this thing, they are NGO, they are doing all this. If something happens to us or to our family, if one of the members is killed or one of the girls is kidnapped or raped or something, then what will happen? They will say that, oh, take him to the judiciary and let him try for it. Then again he will kill the lady or the witnesses and he will go scot-free. In that case, you will say, always those guys will say, no, the policeman should have been harsher and punished him like this and that. You see, our judicial system, is crumbling. It has rather broken down. We must note it that the trial, takes 7-8 years. The pendency is about 90% of the cases. It takes about 8-9 years minimum for this thing, and conviction rate is hardly 30%. So you are having faith in this type of criminal justice system. You are not, all the people, they should come forward and say that the trial should be completed in 1 year or 2 years. And as it happens in England, USA, in Dubai it happens in 3 months. They 90% conviction there, they kill it on the Choraha. On the broad crossing there, he is shot at sight. Only then the crime be controlled. We are all Democrats, we believe in our constitution, but how these things are being manipulated by these guys. These are the mafias and all those guys. They know the shortcomings of the system and they're all manipulating. Poor innocent person is suffering who has no advocate, nobody to plead for him. He is being convicted. These mafia, otherwise after 30 years he has not got a single conviction and he is building empire. If he had been left, he would have again captured the entire Kanpur and Lucknow city and made empires, killed so many people, others also. So please be patient about it and think about it. What is wrong with our system, justice delivery system? Why criminals are abounding or they are increasing in numbers? And moreover, election commission, Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court has said that these criminals should not be allowed to fight election. They have been given ticket by Samajwadi and other parties. You see, somebody is member of Jila Parishad and Panchayat. Most of them are or Mandi ho gaye, 30%
all parties have criminals. Yeah.
So all parties have criminal record. You see, सुनिए मेरी बात सुन लो. You see, Congress party and Sapa, they are all crying hoarse about all this criminalization. Criminalization of UP, I have been in service for very long, served with all these governments. Criminalization of the politics, the mafia culture started from Gorakhpur in 70s when the Congress was ruling. The Congress chief ministers used to protect them. They were made ministers also. So Eastern UP was full of this mafia. I have been serving in all those areas. Gorakhpur, Banaras divisions. All the Congress governments were there. Now since they are out of power since last 30 years, so they are crying hoarse and all this. Samajwadi, nothing to say about Samajwadi party. They are total, background is like that. Baspa, of course, is not in power. They are also having criminals in there. BJP also has its own share of criminals. You see MP MLAs like Unnao, Shahjahanpur, Farrukhabad, so many places. So no party is free of these criminals. They need each other. You see, quid pro quo basis. You see, they need money and muscle and voting power. They need the votes of the thing. So the mafia helps them in getting the power, and the other fellow gives the protection. So nobody is holier than thou. आप attitude आप adopt कर लो. हमाम में सब एक जैसे हैं. All are naked in the hammam. So you see कि कोई party जो कह रही है, they are not free from all these things. So everybody supports these mafias whenever they need it.
That's right. Let me ask now question. Now let me ask questions. You are right that Vikas Dubey was not a saint. I agree. So judicial process is very slow. I agree with that. But there the questions about if he was killed, he surely must have had some political connection, as you yourself said that all political parties are linked to it. So he must have surely had some political connections, and it is obvious that when the police came to raid his house on July 3rd, he was tipped off by police. So who were those people? So
Police.
by killing him, all those things have also been eliminated. So that is the people's concern.
No, you see, Mr. Dubey alone has no such secret. You see, he had the mobile telephone numbers of so many guys are there. Your computers are there. Your hard disks are there. People are there. Now they will come out and tell. You see who supported. Now kiski isne zameen hadap liya, kiska makan, he has grabbed all those things. Everybody will come out. The evidence will come out without him also. Don't worry about this. He lost evidence. Achha, people know that, you see, he's always, dekho, mafia always goes with the ruling party so that he gets the protection. He has talked about the MLAs there. One party had given the ticket to his wife and to himself for fighting election. So all these political connections are known. They can be found out by the investigating officers. So nothing will be lost, nothing will be hidden. You see, don't worry about it, please. कोई एविडेंस ऐसी नहीं जाएगी. पूरी प्रॉपर्टी जैसे कहाँ से निकल रही उसकी
But sir,
कि वहाँ से
but sir,
बैंकॉक में
sir,
है, दुबई में,
sir, you will-
टावर में है, all those things.
Mr. Gupta, you will agree. You have been a
His
you,
property
you
is
have been
coming
a
out,
police.
and his wife will tell, his children will tell, and you see, you can find out from registration department, revenue department, all, you see, ED, your income tax department, all are after him. Earlier they were not there, neither revenue department nor your registration. Everybody is at fault. They should. Achha, about the police you were talking about, Thanedar, you see, SHO of that area. You see, he is the guilty of the worst order. I had never seen such thing in my career of 38, 39 years. पैसा लेते थे जरूर फ्रॉम दिस खुंचा वालाज एंड आई मीन ट्रैफिक वायलेशंस एक्साइज वालाज नॉट दे वर नॉट encouraging the criminals taking money and getting his own people senior officers killed. This is the crime of the worst order, rather worse than this Dubey. He should not be only arrested
No,
but dealt
no, sir,
otherwise also.
sir,
That
wait.
of course you know.
That you are right that investigation will be carried out and all his nexus will be found out. But my question is the additional. You have been a police officer throughout your life, so the main evidence from the main person is, I guess, finished because when you interrogated him, maybe when he was put to interrogation, he would have spilled the beans. Who all he was supported by and all that, isn't it?
That is what I'm saying. You see, he was with the STF and the Madhya Pradesh police, Ujjain police for quite some time. He has given out something. During interrogation, STF has come to know about his supporters, who has given him, you see, vehicles, etc. to flee to Haryana and to this place. All these are known and other things will be known also. Nothing will be lost. Not much loss will happen. Pakka, you must know it, that no damage, you see, no major damage will be done. Everything will be found out. If the IO is good, income tax, your ED, your revenue, police and all those departments is combined, he can be dug out. Everything can be dug out. इसको तो जड़ से खोद के फेंक देंगे, निकाल सकते हैं. His wife will tell everything. His uncle, चचा, भाई जो जिन्होंने किया है, that Bajpayee, who was his who accomplice in this property purchase, उसको आप टाइट करो, he will give everything. बेनामी प्रॉपर्टी कहाँ से आई, किसके नाम से नौकरों का होगा, ठप्पा लगाया होगा, दस्तखत किया होगा, all those things will be known. If they, now the perseverance, due to perseverance, they will all found out. So don't worry about the killing. The man has gone. There is a good. You treat it as a good riddance, relief to the society. Now you make a survey in the village or आसपास के area, find out that you people are feeling relieved. So उसके बारे में आप सोचो. Criminal justice reforms के बारे में सोचिए. Why the person cannot be convicted in a year or two? Why it takes 10 years and the acquittal is so high? So all the criminals, increase the number of judges, increase the number of prosecutors. Good quality prosecutors में हमारे बहुत कमी है. They are all politicized people, political people. So इनमें कैडर बनाइए. तो these reforms are needed. अकेले छोटा मोटा इनकाउंटर के पीछे आप पड़ जाएंगे तो not much of reforms will be possible. System will remain as such. Mafia will be produced. They are right from 70 onward. They are flourishing and making money and all everything.
So
पॉलिटिशियंस को भी आप उसको करिए. मैंने कहा इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको रिफॉर्म्स करे. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा था कि पर्सन हु इज चार्ज विद ए क्राइम पनिशेबल विद 7 years should be debarred from election if the court has taken cognizance of the charge sheet. But nothing has happened because politicians are affected, so they don't want to change that law. So all these build up the pressure on these politicians to decriminalize the society or improve the criminal justice delivery system. इसके आप ज्यादा ध्यान दीजिए एंड नॉट दिस पेटी थिंग कि भाग रहा था, गोली आगे लगी, पीछे लगी, मर गया, क्रिमिनल था तो मर गया. इट मस्ट बी ट्रीट एज ए गुड रिडेंस कि मर गया, ठीक है, अब दाएं बाकी मजिस्ट्रेट विल फाइंड आउट, जो इंक्वायरी मजिस्ट्रेट विल फाउंड आउट. मैं आपसे यही रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा, आई विल लाइक दिस थिंग दैट प्लीज हाईलाइट दिस इशू दैट क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम शुड बी इम्प्रूव्ड and the netas are not interested because they are benefiting, they are fighting elections, winning 2-3 terms and the criminal trial goes on and they are ultimately acquitted. तो इसको आप सुधारिए. और कंट्री में कहीं भी देख लो 15 साल तक मुकदमा कोई ट्रायल होता तो मुझे आप बता दीजिए. तो इंडिया की डेमोक्रेसी क्या मोमोक्रेसी चलेगी? तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू काइंडली concentrate on this thing. My request यही है, बाकी तो ठीक है. It's all up to you guys. What would you like to say?
I agree with you that judicial process is very slow and criminals take advantage of that, of the loopholes. You are right. But the idea is, my point is, should he have not been interrogated or investigated properly, maybe before, I mean, if you want to say he should have been eliminated, it's good riddance, it's good. But maybe after proper investigation.
नहीं, आप तो देखिए कह रहे हैं, आप तो इसलिए यू आर मेकिंग दिस प्रेमाइज दैट ही हैज बीन किल्ड. नो, उसको लिए जा रहे थे. दे विल टेकिंग हिम टू कानपुर ओनली फॉर इंट्रोगेशन एंड गेटिंग द पुलिस रिमांड फ्रॉम द मजिस्ट्रेट. लीगल प्रोसेस फॉलो करने के लिए जा रहे थे. पर व्हाट कैन यू डू इफ द कल्प्रिट रन्स अवे एंड इफ यू आस्क हिम टू स्टॉप एंड कम बैक, ही फायर्स ऑन यू, तो व्हाट विल यू डू? You will get 4-5 persons killed. Already have been killed. 4-5 policemen जो इंजर्ड हुए, they also have been killed. तो ये ऐसा आप मत समझिए कि उसको मारा गया. वो इंसिडेंट, ऐसी घटनाएं हो गई, things happen like this that he got killed. So what can you do about it? बाकी जो whatever evidence is left out, whatever is left out, now they will उसी को जोड़ करके they will patch up, add up and you see make out a case.
So
now,
there are
sir, entire property should be dug out and found out, and you see, government should take over. अब कुछ तो लेसन जाना चाहिए. पर अभी देखिए, इसे बिग इफ कहता तो मैं बहुत हूँ, पर इसे बिग इफ.
There are questions over the police theory. You are right that they were taking him from Ujjain to Kanpur, but the questions are, he surrendered a day before. On Thursday, he surrendered to Ujjain police, and when you see that footage, Ujjain police is unarmed. So if he wanted to flee, he could have fled then. Why did he surrender then? Why was he wanted to wait till next day to flee? So that those theories, please let me complete. Secondly, I have heard, or I don't know whether it is true or not, he had rods in his both legs, so he could not run. He was pouchy, he was not a good runner. So he could not run. He knew that he could not run. So there are several loopholes in that theory, police theory. That is why there is a controversy.
नहीं, ऐसा है. देखिए, about the Ujjain Mahakal temple, you say he reached that place with the help of so many guys from Faridabad onwards. You see, that is subject matter inquiry. Some persons have been arrested also. They will find out क्या उसका way था, रास्ता था, कौन helper थे. They will also be accounted for. Now, you see, he wanted to surrender there in another state, and you see, one or two advocates were also there. कि he will surrender before a magistrate so that everything is written and judicial remand लेकर के आते, उसे transit remand लेकर आते. पर that could not happen. MP में कोई crime नहीं किया, so he could not be produced before the court. MP government ऐसी तो है नहीं, ना पुलिस की कि बेवकूफ है, law नहीं जानते. तो he didn't commit any crime there. तो पुलिस was I mean the UP, that police handed over to UP police, that guy. Now he wanted to surrender before the court so that he can be protected and brought before the in the transit remand in the judicial type of custody so that he is safe. But that didn't happen. Here again he tried to run away, as they say. I am not a witness to all this, but as they say that he tried to run away, taking advantage कि हम मार दिए जाएंगे या कुछ होगा something. Now he got killed in the process. So this all matter is under inquiry. इसी मजिस्ट्रेट क्या करेगा? आफ्टर ऑल मजिस्ट्रेट को देखिए, नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन है, इशूड सो मेनी डायरेक्टिव्स कि उनका पोस्टमार्टम ऐसे होगा, उसका फोटोग्राफी होगा, वीडियो होगा, ये प्रिजर्व किया जाएगा, मजिस्ट्रेट करेगा. ऑल दोज प्रिकॉशंस आर बीइंग टेकन, दे हैव टू बी टेकन, अदरवाइज दोज लोकल पुलिस विल बी हॉल्ड अप. So please don't be pre-judgmental about it कि that police has done everything wrong. और फिर जैसे है कि वो मारा गया है, पब्लिक रिलीफ है, तो थोड़ा पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट. कुछ गरीब जो बच्चे जिनके अनाथ हो गए हैं 8 फैमिलीज वाला, उनकी तरफ से कुछ देखिए कि कितना और पब्लिक की तरफ कभी जाकर फोटो ले आइए, जाकर के देखिए हाउ रिलीव द एंटायर एरिया, शिवली एरिया इन दिस विलेज, दे आर फीलिंग रिलीफ. तो उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा. मारने के पीछे ही सब लगे हुए हैं कि साहब क्यों मारा गया इसको, ऐसे मारा गया, वैसे मारा गया. अरे गलती होगी तो मजिस्ट्रेट विल हॉल्ड अप दिस गाइज, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. Mmagistrate will take care.
I agree that he was not a saint, he was a killer, that he should have been maybe eliminated, and people there must be happy. But I am only talking about maybe police goofed up, because they left so many loopholes in the theory. Now issue is, if you are carrying such a dreaded, please let me complete. If you are carrying or ferrying some dreaded criminal like him, so don't you take security measures, maybe handcuff him or maybe tie him by a rope or something like this, so you are leaving him free. So how, so you are, there is a security lapse also if you talk about that, isn't it?
No, he was sitting along with 2 persons, you see, and they were all armed. You see, handcuffing and fettering, fetter लगाना, handcuff वगैरह, these are on the orders of the court. You see, ये कोर्ट तो इसको ले नहीं जा रहे थे ना, इसकी थी, वो समझ रहे 3 गाड़ियों में लिए जा रहे हैं हैंडकफिंग के लिए. कोर्ट के पास जाना पड़ता है. आपने सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश पढ़े होंगे कि यू कांट फेटर और हैंडकफ ए पर्सन विदाउट द कोर्ट्स ऑर्डर्स. इसी हर चीज को तो हमने लिबरल कर दिया है, एंड एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग मिसयूज्ड. भाई मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ किया गया होगा फायदे के लिए कि बेल दे दो, ये हैंडकफ न करो, फायदे के लिए होगा कि भाई इनोसेंट पर उसका मिसयूज जितना क्रिमिनल कर लेता है माफिया, और पब्लिक को शायद पता भी नहीं बहुत चीजों का है. जैसे आप कह रहे हो कि हैंडकफ करो, तो क्रिमिनल नोज ऑल दोज थिंग्स. इसी तो ये हैंडकफिंग वगैरह मजिस्ट्रेट की ऑर्डर्स होती है. ले आए थे इतने लोग कि हम ले आएंगे, पर ये हो गया समथिंग. ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल बी इंक्वायर्ड इनटू. उसके ऊपर आप ज्यादा व्हाई आर यू रबिंग इट सो मच. यू सी, मैं तो हर टीवी से यही कहता हूँ, चैनल से, कि प्लीज जो है उसको काम करने दीजिए मजिस्ट्रेट को, उनके सामने एविडेंस दे दीजिए. और एक क्रिमिनल एलिमेंट हुआ है, अगर आप ज्यादा वो करोगे तो दूसरे क्रिमिनल का मन बढ़ेगा कि यार हम भी ऐसे कर सकते हैं, हमारे सपोर्टर इतने मिल गए. क्रिमिनल के सपोर्टर ज्यादा मिल रहे हैं, इनोसेंट लोगों के कम मिल रहे हैं, जो मरे हुए हैं उनके कम मिल रहे हैं. ये दिस इज मतलब हमारी सोसाइटी का क्या है, डिस्टॉर्शन है. हमारी सोसाइटी का एटीट्यूडनल डिस्टॉर्शन है क्या.
So that is why I wanted to ask a supplementary question. So after this, on as you said, the Supreme Court has barred from handcuffing. So should this handcuffing order now be revisited?
नहीं चलिए, मैंने बताया ना, एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग लिबरलाइज. देखिए कोई भी चीज की जाती है, जैसे बेल दे दो, बेल इज द रूल, जेल इज इन एक्सेप्शन, ये भी कर दिया है. और उसमें अदालत, तो ये सब चीजें की जाती हैं कि इनोसेंट पर्सन जो छोटा मोटा क्रिमिनल है वो ज्यादा हरेस ना हो. एक्चुअली इरादा तो ये था, आइडिया बिहाइंड ऑल दीज रूल्स आर टू हेल्प द इनोसेंट पीपल नॉट सफरिंग सो मच. सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आइडियाज को तो हम नहीं कहते हैं, चैलेंज नहीं करते बिल्कुल, पर ये उसका वो तो बेचारा जानता नहीं, गरीब जिसका कोई गवाह नहीं मिलता, ना वकील है, ये सब जानते हैं. माफिया क्रिमिनल्स के सबसे एक बढ़िया वकील, एडवाइजर, सब ये घाट घाट का पानी पिए हुए रहते हैं, जैसे कहते हैं आप हिंदी में, दे नो ऑल एवरीथिंग, तो दे मिस यूज दिस थिंग. अब रिविजिट के लिए तो हम लोगों ने तमाम ट्राई किया था, भाई ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन, ह्यूमन राइट, ये वो हर चीज ह्यूमन राइट में है. ह्यूमन राइट हमारा क्रिमिनल के फेवर में ज्यादा काम कर रहा है, आप देख ही रहो. ये दैट आल्सो यू मस्ट नो. विक्टिम का, गरीब का, उसका कोई ह्यूमन राइट नहीं है. उसके बच्चे मारे गए 8 आदमी के, हैं, उनका ह्यूमन राइट, किसी ने एक शब्द बोला है उसके बारे में कि साहब इन बच्चों का क्या होगा, साहब पढ़ाई लिखाएगा कौन, क्या होगा, है ना.
करेक्ट.
ह्यूमन राइट फॉर द एक्यूज्ड है, ह्यूमन राइट ऑफ द विक्टिम नहीं है. ये है अनफॉर्चुनेटली, दीज आर द डिस्टॉर्शंस इन आवर सोसाइटी व्हिच इज बीइंग मिसयूज्ड बाय दीज माफियाज एंड अनसोशल एलिमेंट्स. मैं ये कह रहा हूं, इसको रोकने के लिए इंटायर सोसाइटी हैज टू कम फॉरवर्ड. ऑल द राइट थिंकिंग पीपल हैव टू कम फॉरवर्ड, इंक्लूडिंग यू ऑल प्रेस पीपल, कि दैट सच थिंग शुड नॉट हैपन, इट शुड नॉट बी मिसयूज्ड. Whatever good intentions are of the honorable courts, it should not be misused by the unsocial elements. ये है हमारा.
So as you said that criminal justice system is not, there are lacunae, loopholes in that. So justice system is delayed and maybe denied also many times. So what should be done? What should be the correction? What are the corrections that should be made?
सुनिए, अब मैं बताऊं, क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम में पहले शुरुआत होती है एफआईआर लॉन्च करने से। द पर्सन हु इज एक्टिव ही शुड लॉन्च द करेक्ट एफआईआर। उसको बढ़ा चढ़ाकर किसी को फंसाने के लिए, फर्स्ट थिंग इज करेक्ट लॉन्चिंग ऑफ एफआईआर बाय द विक्टिम। विटनेस भी सही लाए जो इसने देखा है, दे शुड स्टैंड टू द लास्ट। गवाही देने से भाग जाते हैं, या तो पैसा मिल जाता है, धमका देते हैं। तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज द सोसाइटी, पब्लिक, एग्रीड पर्सन। इसके बाद इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर जो है उसे अच्छा ट्रेन होना चाहिए, ईमानदार हो, यहाँ अच्छे नंबर। एक्चुअली लैंड ऑर्डर टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑफ पुलिस। तो लैंड ऑर्डर और इसकी पुलिस में डिफरेंस अलग करिए, एंड आईओ को ज्यादा टाइम दीजिए, नंबर बढ़ाइए। पुलिस का नंबर जो है वर्ल्ड से 1/4 है हमारा, अमेरिका से। वो पर कैपिटा जो है पुलिसमैन का नंबर बढ़ाइए, आईओ बढ़ाइए। इसके बाद आता प्रोसिक्यूशन। मैं बता रहा हूं, हायर कोर्ट का प्रोसिक्यूशन जो है दैट इज नॉट ए परमानेंट कैडर, जिसमें कोई डिसिप्लिन या कंट्रोल नहीं है। इट इज ऑल द प्रोसिक्यूटर्स आर अपॉइंटेड बाय द रूलिंग पार्टी। आजकल बीजेपी के सब लोग हैं, इससे पहले सपा के हुए थे। तो मेनी ऑफ देम आर नॉट सो डिजर्विंग टू बी पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर। तो इसकी क्वालिटी हो, और परमानेंट जो ज्वाइन करना चाहें दे शुड बी परमानेंट प्रोसिक्यूटर्स अंडर द डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्यूशन सिस्टम। डिफेंस का काम है उसको बचाना। इसके बाद कोर्ट्स कहती हैं कि हमारे पास इतने केसेस, 2 करोड़ केसेस फाइल्ड अप है, 2 करोड़ केसेस आर फाइल्ड अप, और डिस्पोजल इज हार्डली 10-15%। तो कोर्ट्स के लिए लॉ कमीशन एंड एवरीबडी हैज सेड इंक्रीज द कोर्ट 4-5 टाइम्स एंड आस्क फॉर द डिलीवरी। उनसे पूछो कि भाई कितना आप डिलीवर करेंगे, हैं एडजॉर्नमेंट्स वगैरह कितना दे रहे हैं, कितना ये हो रहा है। तो इसमें सबको करना है। तो कोर्ट्स हैव टू बी मेड रिस्पांसिबल आल्सो, गिव देम द फैसिलिटी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, एंड मेक देम रिस्पांसिबल।
So the crux is that
तो कोर्ट्स तक जाइए, अपील रिवीजन, फिर प्रेसिडेंट। अभी आप देख रहे हो निर्भया कांड में, आप आई गिव यू वन एग्जांपल। निर्भया वाज कब हुआ था मर्डर? 2012 में। 13 में खैर उन्होंने फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट के देवर 3-4 पर्सन वर फाउंड गिल्टी एंड पनिश फॉर डेथ। 13 से आज 20 में कुछ दिन पहले ही जाकर के वो हैंग हो पाए। दनादन एक ने अपील किया, फिर दूसरे ने रिवीजन किया। प्रेसिडेंट मर्सी वकील साहब कह रहे हैं कि हम इसको मरने नहीं देंगे। तो ये सिस्टम का मैनिपुलेशन, पैसा भी होना चाहिए,
मिस्टर गुप्ता,
मैनिपुलेशन भी होना चाहिए।
Actually, we are running out of time. We know about Nirbhaya case. So the crux, the point you are making is that criminal justice system should be basically overhauled, isn't it? So thank you so much. Maybe we hope that someday it will be done. Thank you so much for participating in this discussion. This is all in agenda today. Thanks for watching. I will be back with another interesting topic on Monday. Till then, goodbye.